Hey everyone, welcome back to this Thursday weekly update. Today is Thursday, December the 17th. This is a series where we like to show you things you can expect to see from us here at Fort Worth Fabric Studio. This week we opened a few boxes you can check out. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. And that does it for this week. I want to thank you all so much for coming and checking out our channel. Everything you saw in this video that I can find will be linked in the description below, so you can go click on those links and check out our website. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, hit the subscribe button if you're new here with the bell next to it so you get notified when we upload, and we'll see you next week.